Hello everyone, welcome to K-Culture Archive. K-Culture Archive is a video series where we introduce well-made videos produced by Korean cultural centers around the world every month. Our fourth feature is 10 Best Sounds of Korea. Check out the full versions of the videos in the description below. First up, want to know what music Koreans are familiar with? Pay attention. Here's a video from the Japan Cultural Center featuring the Olshigu ensemble performance. The song Olshigu has been beloved as the announcement music in Seoul's subways for 14 years. Watch high school students bring it to life with traditional Korean instruments like Gayageum and Janggu. With this lively tune and energetic performance, this video is guaranteed to get you moving. Second, if you love classical music, this video is a must-watch. It features the Korean Traditional Orchestra and Japanese musicians' collaboration concert from Osaka. Enjoy performances of iconic Korean pieces like the folk song Arirang and the Haegum concert Chusang. Plus, experience unique collaborations between piano and traditional instruments. Feel the majestic symphony of Korean traditional instruments in this captivating video. Third, if you're a fan of Korean traditional music, this video is for you. Check out the Korea Live opening ceremony from Egypt. It kicks off with Pungmul, followed by Pansori and Samulnori. It's amazing how you can experience so many styles of Korean traditional music in just one video. Ready to explore the mesmerizing world of Korean traditional music with us? Did you enjoy the last video? Now, let's dive into another fascinating aspect of Korean traditional music. Here's the Daily Gugak video from Brazil. You'll experience solo and ensemble performances featuring traditional Korean instruments like the Gayageum, Gomungo, and Janggu. The unique sounds and intricate playing techniques beautifully capture the essence of Korean traditional music. Don't miss this video if you want to experience the enchanting sounds of Korean instruments. Do you love exciting rhythms? Then don't miss the Gaksori Taryang performance from Japan. The powerful drum beats and dynamic movements will captivate you. This video offers a deeper understanding and appreciation of Korea's traditional taryong. Feel the mesmerizing charm. Number 6. Curious about a unique musical performance? Then check out this East-West instrument collaboration. Watch the Berlin Korean Creative Music Festival video from Germany. It features a harmonious blend of traditional Korean and Western instruments, delivering both soothing and powerful music. Enjoy the captivating charm and emotional harmony of this unforgettable collaboration. Don't miss out on this amazing performance. Watch the video now. Number 7. You definitely need to watch this video. It's the 2023 Full Semester Culture Class Showcase from Russia. Russian students have prepared and performed various Korean traditional arts, including Gangang Sule, Janggu drumming, K-pop dance, taekwondo, and samulnori. Their hard work really shows. The mask dance performance was absolutely perfect. Fantastic job, everyone! Did you enjoy the last video from Russia? Now we have a performance that blends traditional instrument with modern music. Check out the Korean traditional dance and music performance from Italy. This video features traditional Korean performances like pansori, fan dances, and samulnori. The rendition of saranga performed in Italy is incredibly sweet and melodious. Experience tranquility with these elegant melodies. Watch the 2023 Holiday Korean Spirits video from LA. This video showcases a variety of performances, including fan dances, drum dances, the Taepyeongmu dance, Gomungo performance, and pansori. Get ready to be enchanted by the unique charm and beauty of each performance. Enjoy the vibrant world of Korean traditional arts in this video. Last but not least, want to experience the diverse charm of Korea? Don't miss LA's 2022 Korean Spirits highlights. This video features 12 stunning performances, including traditional Korean instruments, fan dances, and the Taepyeongmu dance. We've packed in the best highlights, so it's a must-see. And don't forget to watch the Nanta performance at the end. K-Culture Archive. Well then, see you next time. Goodbye.